Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create multiple calendars in Outlook. This is a fantastic way to organize different aspects of your life, whether you're managing work schedules, personal appointments, or team projects all in one place. Let's dive right in and get this set up for you. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook's features. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving forward, as this ensures everything syncs properly. Once your email has loaded and you're on the main screen, it's time to navigate to the Calendar section. Look towards the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find the Calendar menu. This icon is your gateway to all calendar-related features in Outlook. Click on it to switch from your email view to the calendar interface. Now that you're in the calendar view, you'll see your primary calendar displayed. This is where the magic happens. To create a multiple calendar view, you'll need to work with your secondary calendar. Click on your secondary calendar to select it. If you don't see a secondary calendar yet, you may need to create one first, but assuming you already have one set up, go ahead and select it. With your secondary calendar selected, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. Here you'll find the View option in the menu bar. Click on View to reveal a drop-down menu with various display options. This is where you can customize how your calendars appear and interact with each other. From the View menu, look for an option labeled Overlay. This is the key feature that allows you to merge your calendars visually. Click on Overlay to activate this function. You'll immediately notice a transformation in how your calendars are displayed. Instead of viewing them side by side or separately, they'll merge into a tabbed interface, giving you that multiple calendar view you're looking for. This overlay feature is incredibly useful because it lets you see events from different calendars on the same timeline without cluttering your view. You can easily toggle between calendars using the tabs, making it simple to focus on specific schedules while still having quick access to others. This setup is perfect for anyone juggling multiple responsibilities or managing different teams and projects. And there you have it. You've successfully created a multiple calendar view in Outlook that allows you to manage various schedules efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.